How to fix the could not activate mobile data network error after iOS 17 update. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and turn off and then turn on the automatic option for network selection. So launch the settings application on your device and tap on cellular and then tap on the network selection option and further toggle off the automatic option for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back on again. If you still have the same problem, then go ahead and refresh background app refresh. So open settings and then tap on general and scroll down and tap on background app refresh and then tap on background app refresh again. Here, make sure the Wi-Fi and cellular data option is selected. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and check for software update. So in general, again, tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update your device further. And the next fix is to reset network settings. So in general, again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Confirm by entering your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network settings again. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So, this is how you can fix the could not activate mobile data network error after iOS 17 update. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.